Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join a circle on the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Life360 app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a drop-down menu that displays your current circle name. Go ahead and tap on this drop-down. This will reveal a list of options related to your circles and their management. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and tap on the option labeled Join a Circle. This feature is specifically designed to help you connect with family members, friends, or any group that's already created a circle on Life360. It's the gateway to accessing shared location features and staying connected with your chosen group. Next, you'll see a field where you need to input an invite code. This code is typically provided by the circle administrator or the person who created the circle you want to join. Carefully enter the invite code into this field, making sure you type it exactly as it was given to you, as these codes are case-sensitive and must match perfectly. Once you've entered the code, tap the Submit button to proceed. After submitting the invite code, the app will process your request and verify the code. Within a moment, you'll see the circle name appear on your screen. This confirms that the invite code was valid and that you've successfully located the correct circle. Take a second to make sure this is indeed the circle you intended to join, as the name should match what you were expecting. Now, all that's left to do is finalize your membership. You'll see a Join button displayed next to or below the circle name. Simply tap on this button to officially become a member of the circle. Once you do this, you'll gain access to all the circle's features, including real-time location sharing with other members, notifications about arrivals and departures, and the ability to communicate through the app's messaging features. And that's it. You're now successfully part of the circle on Life360, connected with your group and ready to enjoy all the location sharing features the app offers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.